and welcome to a small introduction of the Premex reactor company and a small overview of our product range. My name is Bernd Hartmann. I'm the CEO from Premex Reactor Company since 2005. Our company in Germany is the representation from Premex in Switzerland. Now, thank you for your attention for the following presentation. I'm looking forward to your feedback.
Together with partners like ProRec in Berlin or Premex Solutions in Switzerland, we operate successfully in the market of high-end reactor solutions for industry, research and development. Swiss precision in conception and execution guarantee the exact control of chemical processes in catalysis, organic synthesis, or processes for so-called green chemistry, always according to the motto saving energy, conserving resources. Our special, on-site maintenance and commissioning. For more than 50 years, our magnetic stirrer couplings have proven themselves in practice. The great advantages lie in the very simple design construction. How to recognize the pressure-bearing part is milled from solid metal. As a result, our magnetic stirrer couplings do not require any additional seals in addition to the seal of the reactor lid. Furthermore, all fixtures of the product contacted side can be pulled out completely downwards by turning out the locking nut for service work, for example for bearing changes. Our special, we are now able to use our magnetic stirrer couplings for temperatures up to 650 degrees Celsius.
As an example from our small laboratory reactor series, we have a full-fledged reactor with a volume of 100 ml, which can be used for temperatures up to 350 degrees and 350 bar, independent of the material. How you can see, all fittings and equipment necessary for most applications are available. We have valves for inlet, outlet, sampling or emptying, gassing stirrers, thermal sensors for regulating the media temperature, as well as an integrated stirrer motor. Removing the bearings, for example for service purposes or replacement, is just as easy as shown for the magnetic stirrer couplings. Our small laboratory reactor series naturally allows the expansion to a parallel reactor system, for example parallel tests for catalysts. The compact construction also allows to use the parallel reactor system in a standard walk-in fume hood. The simple handling of the mini laboratory reactors also continues in our laboratory reactors with larger volumes. For example, with our quick looking system for reactors up to a volume of 1 liter with 200 bar and 300 degree. Because of our quick looking system, the reactors can be opened quickly and easily without using tools. The vessel, with a combination of a heating and cooling system, can be lowered down with a compressed air controlled cylinder from the fixed mounted reactor lid on the frame. The reactor vessel can be removed out of the heating and cooling jacket. This construction allows to use reactor vessels with different volumes. The installed equipment is then exchanged accordingly. The reactor vessel can then simply be reinserted. Thanks to the pneumatic control, the reactor can be moved against the cover again. The reactor is then closed again with a quick release fastener and is then ready for work.
In addition to the self-optimization function of the controller, it is possible to freely program the PID control parameters. In addition to the simple operation for setpoint information for the internal temperature, speed setting and starting the control, live charts can also be called up with progress display of temperatures, speed and internal pressure. This basic control unit is designed for high-pressure reactors up to a volume of 10 liters with a heating output of 5 kilowatts.
We are also happy to be your contact for advice, design and planning of industrial magnetic stirrer drives with torques up to 100 Nm. These drives can also be equipped with torque measuring systems. We also design, plan and construct complex research systems for universities and industry, for example, methanol synthesis. Finally, we would like to refer to our iCube reactor for the rapid characterization of catalysts and other materials. The iCube standard reactor system is a tabletop device with a thermal conductivity detector and an optional microgas chromatograph for rapid characterization of catalysts and other materials, as well as for simple kinetic studies of heterogeneously catalyzed reactions.
Have I piqued your interest? I'm looking forward to your feedback.